Welcome back to Intables, everyone. So AMC has been picking up a bomb throughout the day. I want to make sure we do cover exactly which levels we are trying to hold about to contain this momentum, what exact indicators will give us confirmation on a continuation from here, and I'll ask in return as you smash that like button and hit subscribe if you want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that we mentioned throughout the week. So let's jump into this one. So I'm going to go over AMC with you guys here on the 5-minute chart. Then I'm going to back up to the 4-hour chart so you guys can see what we're looking out for overall. But I do want to mention before we get started that we do alert penny stock and breakout alerts up today. We mentioned BTTX today halted at 1507, jumping all the way up to $29 in the day, almost 100% on that breakout. And a lot of people curious about BKKT today, as we did have them halted last week on Monday at $14.95. Jumping all the way to $56 on that day, over 200% on that breakout. And we did mention ARTL's pre-markets news on their $4 price target from $1, jumping all the way up to $1.33 on the day, over 30% on that breakout. And we did mention DWC and PHUN MARK on those major breakouts a couple weeks ago, over 1500% on each one of those breakouts, except for MRK was about 700% on that breakout. So if you do want to see all of our breakout alerts of the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. So as you guys can see here on the 5-minute chart, we have been continuing on up. As you guys can see, we did test the 50-moving average, and we did bounce off of it. Now we are testing the 20-moving average, and as you guys can see, going to extended hours, we still are respecting that 20-moving average and looking to see if we can continue on with this momentum. Now, as you guys can see here on the 4-hour chart, we had that major spike previously all the way up to about 72.50. And we did have the 20-moving average above the 50. Again, the 20-moving average is the yellow line, and the 50-moving average is the red. And we did hold the 20-moving average above the 50, which gave us that continuation. But as you guys can see, we did curl down here on the 20-moving average, as we did drop down below our symmetric triangle that we were looking to see if we can get a continuation on. And we did continue on down since then, and we did have the 20-moving average below the 50 at that point in time, which gave us that continuation down. And we recently did have the 20-moving average above the 50, which we did alert this one in the Intables room on that break from $40 to $48. But however, we did break above that $48 range, the $48 to $58 range that we were trying to hold above, and we sure enough did have that decrease in buy pressure here, giving us that confirmation on that decrease in momentum here on the 4-hour chart. And now, as you guys can see, we are consolidating, looking to see if we can hold this level here at 35. Again, you guys can see we had overall a symmetric crown that we were trying to respect. We did drop down below it, but however, we did have that spike today. Looking to see if we can reclaim $40 is exactly what we'd be looking for here on AMC. If we can reclaim $40, in my opinion, we are back in play. Now, one thing I do want to mention about AMC and GME is that AMC and GME like to react to the market being very choppy and very slow. And with the market very choppy leading into Jerome Powell, we could have an opportunity here for a continuation. Looking to see if we can reclaim 40 again, and making sure we do get the 20-moving average above the 50 is exactly what we're looking for to get back into play. But again, making sure we can reclaim 48 with that confirmation on buy pressure. As you guys can see, previously we had this spike here on the MACD with that buy pressure. Looking to see if we can break above that buy pressure point to get that confirmation on that momentum. And to set that alert here on trading, if you go over the plus sign here, you click add alert, and you put the alert right above your previous buy pressure point, so that way if it does break above it, then we will have confirmation on that strong momentum here on AMC. Again, that doesn't mean that we can't continue on up going to tomorrow. It means that we will get confirmation on momentum if we do break above this point here on the MACD. Getting confirmation on all of these breakouts is exactly what I want to make sure we do focus on here on this channel. So again, if you do want to see all of our breakout alerts of the day, go to instables.com in the description below. And as fast as I do talk, you will never miss a breakout alert today again. And everybody that has been supporting the channel, all of you Instables that have been coming over and supporting the channel, I appreciate every one of you guys. And honestly, I appreciate every one of you guys more than anything. And if you guys do like this video, it does help with refining it, and it does help the channel grow. And I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.